ever find yourself stuck in a tech rut as a digital creative? It's a common experience where the very tools that help you create and innovate also become your biggest roadblocks. Digital creatives often grapple with tech issues that can hamper their workflow and productivity. Imagine this: you're working on an intricate design, but your software is moving at a snail's pace. Or perhaps you're trying to save a high-resolution masterpiece only to be thwarted by a lack of storage space. Or maybe you're juggling multiple tasks and projects and the chaos is threatening to engulf your digital workspace. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? These common tech struggles can be frustrating, causing unnecessary stress and eating away at your precious creative time. But fear not, because there's light at the end of the tunnel. But what if there were quick and efficient tech hacks to overcome these hurdles? Stay tuned as we delve into these solutions in the upcoming sections. Now imagine a world where your software functions at lightning speed. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? This dream can become a reality with a few simple steps. First, ensure you're keeping your software up to date. Developers constantly refine their software, making it more efficient and faster. So, don't ignore those update notifications. They're your ticket to a smoother experience. Next, take a look at your startup programs. Many software applications set themselves to start when your device boots up, which can slow everything down. Disabling unnecessary startup programs can free up resources and speed up your software. Finally, consider using lightweight alternatives to heavy software applications. These are designed to use less system resources, meaning they can often run faster and more efficiently. By following these steps, you'll find that your digital creative journey becomes a whole lot smoother. And just like that, you've boosted your software's speed. Next up, let's tackle that pesky storage almost full notification. It's like an unwanted guest, isn't it? But don't worry, we've got some quick fixes. First, let's start with regular cleaning of your cache files. These are temporary files that your device creates. Over time, they can take up a lot of space. By regularly clearing them, you can free up a surprisingly large amount of storage. Secondly, consider using cloud storage solutions. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive offer generous amounts of free storage. Anything from your holiday pictures to large project files can be safely stored in the cloud, freeing up your device's storage. Finally, compressing files can be a real game changer. By reducing their size, you can store more in the same amount of space. It's like fitting more clothes into your suitcase by rolling them instead of folding. So you've reclaimed your storage space, and that annoying notification has finally disappeared. Now, let's turn you into a multitasking maestro. The digital world moves at a rapid pace, and you need to keep up. So how can you manage multiple tasks simultaneously? The first step is to use task management tools. Apps like Trello or Asana can help you keep track of your tasks and deadlines, ensuring you never miss a beat. But that's not all. Keyboard shortcuts are your best friend when it comes to multitasking. They save you time and keep your workflow smooth. For instance, learn to switch between apps quickly or open a new browser tab without reaching for the mouse. And speaking of screens, have you ever considered the benefits of multiple monitors? With more screen real estate, you can have multiple windows open, making it easier to switch between tasks. With these hacks, you'll be juggling tasks like a pro in no time. So we've covered quite a bit today, haven't we? The digital landscape can be a challenging terrain, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate it like a pro. Let's take a moment to recap the main points and hacks we've discussed. Firstly, we dove into the common tech struggles of digital creatives. We've all been there, haven't we? Frustrated by slow software, running out of storage, or juggling too many tasks at once. These are common issues, but they are not insurmountable. Then we explored how to speed up your software. Regular updates are crucial, aren't they? They not only ensure your software runs smoothly, but also provide you with the latest features and improvements. It's like giving your tech a regular tune-up. Next, we tackled how to maximize your storage space. Remember, it's not just about having more space, it's about using what you have efficiently. Deleting unnecessary files, utilizing cloud storage, and regularly backing up your data can free up significant space and give your tech a much-needed breather. And lastly, we delved into how to master multitasking. With the right strategies, you can juggle multiple tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Use task management tools, take regular breaks, and prioritize your tasks. It's about working smarter, not harder. These hacks aren't just about making your life easier, they're about empowering you as a digital creative. They enable you to maximize your productivity, enhance your creativity, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Remember, technology should be your ally, not your adversary. With these quick and efficient tech hacks, you're now equipped to conquer any tech hurdle that comes your way. The digital world is your playground. Go create.